The online news industry is booming, with traditional channels adapting to platforms like YouTube. Thanks to advancements in AI, it's easier than ever to create your own online news channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make professional news videos for free. Step 1. Choosing and preparing your news article. The first step is finding a news article to base your video on. Google News is an ideal place to find a variety of articles from multiple sources. Just pick a topic you're interested in or a trending story that will engage your audience. However, to avoid copyright issues, we need to rephrase the article. We'll use an AI-powered tool called Pop AAI, but ChatGPT or other similar tools work as well. 1. Open a new browser tab and search for Pop AAI. 2. Click the first link to access the Pop AAI dashboard. 3. Copy your chosen news article text and paste it into a document file, such as a Google Doc or Word document. 4. In the Pop AAI dashboard, click the Upload File button to upload your document. If you're new to Pop AAI, you'll need to create a free account first. 5. Once uploaded, Pop AAI will process your document and generate a unique rephrased version of your article. This rephrased article now belongs to you, and it's 100% unique. Once you've got your unique article text, copy it into a new document to organize it for the next steps. This will be your script for the video. Step 2. Setting up CapCut for video creation. To transform this script into a video, we'll use an AI-powered video editor called CapCut. CapCut is free, easy to use, and perfect for creating YouTube-style content with professional quality visuals. 1. Go to CapCut.com and select Create New on the homepage. 2. Choose your desired video aspect ratio. For YouTube, select the 16:9 widescreen format to match the platform's standard. You should now see CapCut's video editor interface, which will allow you to add visual elements, characters, backgrounds, and more. Step 3. Building the news environment. Creating the right setting is key for a news video. Let's start by adding a news intro and a newsroom background. 1. In the CapCut editor, go to the Element tab on the left side, then click Stock Videos. CapCut offers over 50 million copyright-free stock videos. 2. In the search bar, type News Intro to find intro clips. Browse the results and pick an intro that matches your channel's style. 3. Insert the intro video into the timeline at the beginning. Next, we'll add a newsroom background. 1. In the Stock Videos library, search for Newsroom Background and preview the options. 2. Once you find the right background, add it to the timeline after the intro clip. This setup gives your video a professional look with a clear transition from the intro to the newsroom setting. Step 4. Adding an AI news presenter. Now we need a news presenter to bring your content to life. CapCut has a variety of AI-generated characters you can use. 1. Return to the Element tab, scroll down and select the AI Characters section. 2. Click View All to explore the full range of characters, which include different genders, outfits, poses, and styles. 3. Take a few moments to find the character that best fits your news story. Insert your chosen character into the timeline, positioning it just after the newsroom background. Place the character in layer 2 on the timeline so it appears in front of the background, giving your video a realistic news presenter feel. Step 5. Adding and syncing the news script with voiceover. Now it's time to add the news script. CapCut's AI characters allow you to create a custom voiceover directly from the script text. 1. Click on the AI character in the timeline. A text box should appear on the right side for narration. 2. Copy a segment of your script, less than 1,000 characters as CapCut limits narration to that length, and paste it into the text box. 3. Choose a voice actor that best suits your video's tone. CapCut offers a variety of voices, so listen to a few samples before making your selection. 4. Once you've selected the voice, click Apply. CapCut will generate the audio and sync it to your character's lip movements. To add more narration segments, repeat these steps for each section of your script, ensuring a smooth flow from one part to the next. Step 6. Extending backgrounds and syncing clips. As you work through each narration segment, you may need to extend the newsroom background to match the length of the voiceover. Here's how. 1. Select the background clip, copy it, and paste it multiple times in the timeline until it covers the entire video. 2. Ensure each background segment lines up with the voiceover so there are no sudden changes or gaps. After each narration section, copy and paste the AI character as needed, adding the next portion of the script until your entire story is covered. Step 7. Adding additional visual elements. To make your news video even more dynamic, add relevant footage or images related to your story. Be sure to only use clips that fall under fair use or have Creative Commons licenses and give credit to the original creators. 1. Search for relevant stock videos or images and place them strategically in the timeline where they enhance the story. 2. Add any necessary text overlays or captions for emphasis, such as highlighting key points or adding translations for non-English viewers. Step 8. Adding background music. Music adds another layer of engagement to your video. While CapCut provides some background music, it's often best to use copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library or sources like Pixabay. 1. After selecting a track, import it to CapCut and adjust the volume to complement the narration. 2. Make sure the music doesn't overpower the voiceover. It should simply enhance the overall feel. Step 9. Exporting the video. Once you're satisfied with the video, it's time to export. 1. Click the export button in the upper right corner. CapCut will render the video, which may take a few minutes. 2. Save the file to your device once it's ready. This final file can now be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Example, SpaceX News segment. To give you an idea of the finished product, here's an example.
SpaceX recently launched the first mission in a new series of dedicated rideshare missions called Bandwagon 1, which aimed to deliver 11 commercial and military satellites into mid-inclination orbits. Distinct from the existing transporter missions, which place payloads into sun-synchronous orbits, the Bandwagon missions target low Earth orbits at inclinations of about 45 degrees. This launch marked the beginning of SpaceX's efforts to cater to the growing demand for mid-inclination orbits, with plans to conduct 2 such missions in 2024 and 2025. The decision to offer the service stemmed from the recognition of mid-inclination orbits as the second most commonly requested orbit among rideshare customers after sun-synchronous orbits. The Bandwagon 1 mission carried a diverse payload, including the 4 to 5 Project satellite for South Korea's military, Hawkeye 360E's radio frequency geolocation satellites, Capella Space's Acadia 4 SAR satellite, and other satellites for
You can add relevant footage of SpaceX launches or mission control, which enhances the storytelling and gives viewers a richer experience. Final steps in uploading. Your video is now complete and ready for upload. Add a title, description, and relevant tags, then share it with your audience. Thank you for joining me. I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below, so share any thoughts or tips you discovered along the way. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials on AI-driven content creation. Until next time, happy creating!